Hey guys, it's Molly. Welcome back to my show. Welcome back to another Tuesday. It's the day where I just do random videos, like whatever I want. And today, like I said in yesterday's video, I'm going to be doing a taste test video. Now, it was originally just going to be foods from 7-Eleven, but then I found like all these weird things I have in my house. I have no idea where they came from. So I'll also be doing those. Anyway, let's begin. I have it all over here, which you can't see, but trust me, it's here. So since I picked this one up, I might as well start with it. I have a bunch of these chips called protein chips. And this is one of the flavors, sour cream and onion. Now, I'm not going to be trying like the whole thing because that's just going to take way too long. So, let's just try one chip. It wasn't bad at first, but by the end it got bad. Let's try another flavor. Sea salt. Again, at first it wasn't bad, but by the end, oh. Let's try another flavor, cheddar and sour cream. Again, not good. Let's try the last flavor that I have, barbecue. Not good, not good. Barbecue is my favorite flavor of chips. The problem with them is that the taste goes away. And then you're just stuck chewing a chip that's like flavorless and it's a very weird texture. I don't know. Last thing from 7-Eleven is Now and Later's Extreme Sour. I picked these up because I thought that, I don't know, it'd be cool to try this on camera. So I guess the first thing to do would be to open this. I don't have nails right now, so this is a little hard. Oh yeah, I also have a new splint. My old one wasn't working very well. Alright, finally got it to open. This is watermelon. Sour but not extreme sour. By the way, the twist to open actually worked with the next flavor, green apple. Again, sour but not extreme sour. And the twist to open did work with the cherry one, but it wasn't as explosive as the green apple one. And this is our last flavor. I can just open the wrapping. It still has the paper on it, it won't let go of the paper. Okay, let's do this. Again, not sour, but they were all delicious. I mean, it is kind of sour, but not like extreme sour. Anyway, Now and Later's 10 out of 10. Protein chips, trash. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. I guess my dad bought the cereal for me from the supermarket yesterday or something. I don't know. It's Fruity Pebbles, but it has marshmallows in it. Well, anyway, the marshmallow's in there. And I don't think it's a new thing, so maybe you've tried it, but I haven't tried it, so that's why it's weird to me. And so, let's get a spoonful. Let's get some marshmallows on there. And that's a big spoon. Okay. It's not bad. Not at all, actually. Just kind of weird to have like that crunch in with... My god, they found me. Just kidding. It's just kind of weird to have that crunch in with the Fruity Pebbles. Anyway, let's move on to the last item. Okay, so this has been sitting in my kitchen forever. It's cinnamon roll popcorn from Pop Secret. And the reason why it's been sitting in my kitchen literally forever is because it expired in... Not expired, but the Best By date was November of 2015. Well, it's January of 2017, so I'm sure it's still good. Don't like. Maybe it's the fact that the Best By date has already passed over a year ago, or maybe it's just the fact that popcorn should not be cinnamon roll flavored. It just wasn't good to me. I can't even place the taste, so let me try another one. I didn't even overdo the popcorn, and it tastes like burnt cinnamon rolls. With barely any cinnamon, and barely any roll. It just tastes like burn. It just tastes like burnt air. Ooh. So yeah, the popcorn's probably gonna get thrown out also, unfortunately. But no one should be eating that anyway. Why did I eat it? Oh yeah, for you guys. I was gonna try some alcoholic things for you, but I didn't get the chance to try them after work, and it's actually before work right now, and I can't go to work after consuming alcohol. So maybe that'll be in a future video. Okay, so with that being said, my god, this has probably been the worst taste test I have ever done. Actually, I didn't puke, so it's probably not. Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow for the new foreign language video. Remember, you have till the end of the day to suggest it. Anyway, see you all tomorrow. Comment, like, subscribe, and check out my links in the description box down below. Bye bye.